Hello, 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 hello. Welcome back to Megan TT Hobbies. Look what I found. Topps Baseball 2018 Series 2. This was one of those hanger packs. It's got 36 cards. And I got it at my local Target, I think for $5. So let's go ahead and open this and see what we've got in the Series 2. Because you know I've opened a lot of Series 1s and some Bowmans and some Donruss. So let's see what we've got. So first thing we've got is a faker or security thing. So let's see. Sean Newcomb, Future Stars, Alex Mejia, rookie card. This is awesome. I got him TTM through spring training. I think he's down with Memphis right now. Chris O'Grady, rookie. Another rookie. Mets. Devon Travis. Jose Martinez. He is one of my favorite players right now since I'm a Cardinals fan. And he just became a dad. Felix Hernandez for the Mariners. Luis Torrens, San Diego. Pitcher for Twins. Melky Cabrera for the Royals. I really like this side view. These would look super sweet. Signed. Chris Young for the Angels. Carlos Perez for the Angels. Liam Hendricks for the A's. So here's some special inserts. So we're going to flip those to the back and do those last. Derek Holland, Giants. Cole Hamels, Rangers. You know, Chasing Ink, I'll send you some Rangers. Ramirez. Wade Miley with the Brewers. Another Padre. Looks like a couple of Tigers. Travis Wood. More Brewers pitchers. Healy on the Mariners. Ooh, that's a nice Doug Fister. Zach Greinke, I think he TTMs. I'll have to check. Jake Arrieta, that's cool. Who's now pitching for the Phillies. Lots of pitchers. Jason Vargas, Casilla, Freeman, and then let's get into the special cards. Cody Bellinger highlights. Chris Sale, All-Star. Kind of throwback card. And this is like a, I don't know, maybe a chrome. The back's the same. But that's super fancy, shiny. Ramos for the Rays. Trey Turner. And Max Scherzer. So pretty cool pack. Different, more cards. Lots of rookies, which is nice because get some of those TTM'd. I would say one of my favorites is this, being a Cardinals fan. And then this one. So I'll leave you with those two. Please like, comment, subscribe. If there's a card in here that you would like, just hit me up in the comments below and we can work out a trade. Have a great day.